Hello guys, welcome to my Advertech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to delete that files cannot be deleted on your Windows 7, 8, 10 or 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are unable to delete the folder, you can see on the screen I am trying to deleting that folder. So it shows item not found or could not find this item. So you can see I am unable to delete this folder. So I will show you how to delete this folder. For that you just need to open one application which is called WinRAR. Click on start menu, then type here WinRAR. Just open this WinRAR app. Just click on close. Just go to the desktop or where your that problematic folder is there. My folder is on desktop, so I'll go to the desktop. You can see this is my folder which I am unable to delete. Just select this folder, press shift and press delete, then click on yes. You can see the folder has been deleted. That's it guys, this is a simple way to delete undeletable files on your Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.